have with me for your viewing pleasure 4 Antsy Lab Fidget Cubes. Okay, so I have the Kickstarter Edition, the Gamer Edition, Aqua, and Midnight. I actually ordered a total of 20 cubes on the Kickstarter, but 6 of them were for my uncle, and 14 of them were for me. I'm not gonna use all of them. I'm planning to sell some of the Fidget Cubes. So if you're interested, I have Kickstarter, Gamer, and some extra graphite, I think. We'll see when I get all of them. I just asked my uncle to send some of my cubes, not all of them. So I'll get the rest when I go to Manila this summer. So they come in bubble wrap, okay? The special case is wrapped in bubble wrap. It has a sticker on it. It says, "This bubble wrap kept your Fidget Cube safe on its journey to you. Take a moment to treat yourself and pop a few." So it's inviting you to pop the bubble wrap that the Fidget Cubes came in. So people who buy Fidget Cubes are probably people who love to fidget. They've also been advertised as a anxiety for anxiety and etc. There are a lot of knockoffs, right? So if it doesn't come in a case like this, it's not an original Antsy Labs Fidget Cube. It's a Chinese knockoff, probably from the same company that made the Fidget Cubes. Maybe not. I'm not really sure. The quality varies a lot with the knockoff. So it could have been based on old molds that they had for the Fidget Cubes before they finalized it, you know. So one of the reasons the originals came out so late is because the creators apparently, I think, they didn't actually say this, but I think it's because there were so many knockoffs. They wanted to make sure that people would know that their Fidget Cubes were original, or they wanted a way for people to tell apart the originals and the knockoffs. So we're gonna unwrap the Fidget Cubes. Okay, first, oh, that's my cat. Go down, baby. The Kickstarter Edition. Okay, so it comes in this cute little case. You'll see the top of the case has like this light switch kind of thing, just like the Fidget Cube does. See, okay, and they stuck the Fidget Cube to this base. Underneath the base, we'll see that there's a pouch. It shows you what you can do with it. You can spin. They have this kind of joystick kind of thing there. Slide. Oh, sorry, no. The spinner is different from the joystick. So, slide, flip. What's this? I can't read it. Okay. Breathe. So there's like I think it's called a worry stone, and then some rollers and clickers. Oh wait, let's open it up. Okay. Oh, okay. There's stickers at the side. Okay. So let's stick that. Okay, so they stuck it to this base. Although a lot of people complained that their fidget cubes got unstuck from the base, and so they were rattling inside the whole case, which isn't very good. Okay, it's really sticky. Okay, see that? It's stuck to this acrylic platform. Okay, and the double-sided tape is still stuck to the cube. Let's just get that off. Right. Okay, so it's not that hard to get off, and there's no like sticky residue left on the cube. See? Okay. And then here's the pouch. And it's supposed to come with stickers. So here is a fidget cube sticker. Okay. Let's get all of this out of the way. Okay. Here. Can you hear that? Seems a little soft. It could be a little harder to push, although I like the click. Rollers. I'm not really sure what these are called. And the ball, you roll it around. Right now it doesn't feel so smooth. Maybe with some use it'll get smoother. Okay, here's the joystick. It has a plasticky feel. A lot of people who already got their fidget cubes said that it would have been better if Antsy Labs decided to use vinyl. Okay, I think they're right. It would have been nice if it felt like the Nintendo 3DS joystick. And then here's the little spinner. Ooh. Or this, what do you call this? The spinner. This little nub could have stuck out a little more, so you could easily like spin it. Yeah. And okay, clickers. Okay, these are the silent buttons, and then these two, they click really loudly. Okay, silent, silent, clicky. And this is also a little bit clicky, but it's not as noisy as these two. Can you hear that? Okay. So this is the Kickstarter edition. I'm a little disappointed by the color. Based on their pictures, like before they actually made the cubes, this was supposed to be like more Kickstarter green, since you know it's the Kickstarter edition cube. It's not as Kickstarter green as the Kickstarter logo. You might like it, you might not. I wish it was more like the Kickstarter logo. I really like the green of the Kickstarter logo. So I'm just gonna put this aside, and I'm gonna show you the other cubes. I'll just quickly unwrap them just so you can see. Okay, so this is the Aqua. This is the Midnight. There you go. See? Okay. And here is the Gamer Edition. If I'm not mistaken, this is the Gamer Edition. The retro has a slightly different color scheme. So I really like the Kickstarter, the Gamer Edition. It reminds me of like a Nintendo controller or something. Or old controllers. Well, I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it informative. If you maybe you're watching it because you want to get a fidget cube, or maybe you're watching it because you're anxiously waiting for your fidget cubes and waiting for any comments to come out, right? Or feedback. Although I'm pretty sure I'm not the first to unbox my fidget cube. A lot of people have. Yes. By the way, I'm located in the Philippines. So if you're from the Philippines and you want some cubes, I have some cubes. I'll be selling, if I'm not mistaken, some Kickstarter editions, some Gamer editions, and which I don't have right here now with me, some Graphite Fidget cubes. Okay? So, thank you. Or if I keep a Graphite, then I might sell the Midnight. The Aqua's for my mom, so no one... And I only have one of the Aquas, so... Yeah. So if you're interested in Kickstarter, Gamer, Midnight, and Graphite, then shoot me a message. Peace out.